नमस्कार। रेडियो सारङ्गी 101.3 मेगाहर्ज मार्फत एसई रेडियो पाठशालामा तपाईहरुलाई स्वागत छ। म हेमन्त ढकाल, सुन्दर हरैचा नगरपालिकाको सहयोग, नेपाल शिक्षक महासंघको समन्वय तथा रेडियो सारङ्गी 101.3 मेगाहर्जको सहकार्यमा हामी प्रस्तुत गर्दैछौं एसई रेडियो पाठशाला। एसई रेडियो पाठशाला अन्तर्गत आजको अंग्रेजी विषयको कक्षा सञ्चालन गर्न गइरहेको छु। म तपाईहरुको शिक्षक हेमन्त ढकाल। Welcome dear students. Okay, in our previous class we have studied about different poems and their problems that may ask in your examinations. That is, did I miss anything? Now today we are going to study about the poem The Road Not Taken, written by Robert Frost. So here, if you have a book, please get ready with your books and copy along with you. If you have a books, turn your page number 94. In the page, you can find the poem The Road Not Taken, written by Robert Frost. Now, first of all, look at the picture. Look at the pictures. Dear student, look at the pictures over there. What can you see in the pictures? What is the boy thinking about? You can see the pictures of a jungle where the boy is standing in front of the two roads, where the two roads diverge. So, okay, what can you see here is the boy is standing in front of the two diverge road in the forest. Forest means wood or jungle. So, guess what the boy is thinking about? What might be he thinking in front of the two roads? When the two roads diverge, what happens? Everybody, when we do have two options in our life, this poem is directly related or connected to our life. So when we have two options, we need to think it very deeply. Which road or which way of life should we choose? So in the same way, the boy is also in dilemma. It means in confusing states that which road should he choose? Either the way he chooses will lead him to the perfect direction or not. So in the same way, this poem, The Road Not Taken, also tells about the options that may come in our life and also suggests us to choose the right way that may leads to towards a better futures in our life. So, which road do you think he chose? Another question says, the boy is standing in front of the two diverse road, and what do you think, which road he might choose? So there are two roads. For example, look at here. These are two roads and a boy is standing over here. Look at here. So he has to choose either of the roads. There are two roads. So which road do you think he would choose? If he choose this one or he choose this one. If he choose this one, he will go to one certain direction. And if he choose this one, he will miss the way or the things that may leads to him by this way. So the person or the boy who is standing in front of the roads is in dilemma to choose the road, which route he should choose. So he is in dilemma. So he is thinking before he decide. Okay. So in the same way in our life, after you complete your SE examination, you have a certain different ways in front of you. For example, science, commerce, education, arts, and many other faculties are there. So you are supposed to choose any one of them, thinking that which will make your future better. In the same way, the boy is also thinking to choose the correct way to lead his life. So this is The Road Not Taken by Robert Frost. Okay, let's have a look about the backgrounds of the poet. Robert Frost. His real name is Robert Lee Frost, who was born in March 26, 1874 and who was died in January 29, 1963. He was one of the renowned poets in the English literatures. He was an American poet. He is highly regarded as his realistic depictions of rural life. His work frequently employed setting from the rural life in New England in the early 20th century, using them to examine the complex social and philosophical themes. One of the most popular and critically respected American poets of the 20th century. Frost was honored frequently during his lifetime receiving the Pulitzer Prize for Poetry. He was awarded in the Congressional Gold Medal in 1960 for his poetic works. On July 22, 1961, Forst was named the Poet Laureate of Vermont. So let's discuss here about the poet. He is an American poet. So he has written so many interesting poem in his life. So he was also awarded with the very popular prize and very popular medals in his life. What is the poem based on? Let's have a look at the background of the poem, The Road Not Taken. So The Road Not Taken is a poem about someone's trying to decide which road he or she is going to take on a stroll throughout the wood.